Programming assignments can feel impossible. You sit down to write code, and everything that made sense in lectures suddenly turns into hours of debugging, broken logic, and missing output. Whether it's Python, Java, C, or MATLAB, the reality is that programming coursework takes time, precision, and deep understanding of how to turn concepts into working solutions. That's exactly why so many students turn to expert help. In this review, the Review Network takes a close look at UK Essays and their Programming Assignment Help Service, a professional solution built on transparency, verified writers, and genuine academic programming expertise. The most striking difference with UK Essays is the transparency of its system. Every writer has a real, visible profile showing verified qualifications, experience, and client feedback. You're not gambling on a random coder or faceless account. You can see exactly who you're hiring before you pay. If you need someone who understands Python scripting, data analysis, or automation with pandas and NumPy, you'll find them. If you're building a Java application using object-oriented programming, a C++ algorithm, or even a MATLAB simulation, there's a specialist with that background. You can filter, browse, and communicate directly with experts through the secure dashboard. That clarity gives complete control before you commit to a project. UK Essays treats coding tasks with the same academic precision it applies to written assignments. These are not gig economy freelancers guessing their way through syntax. They are academically trained programmers and software engineers who understand not only how to build code, but how to meet marking criteria. That's what sets this platform apart. It's about academic grade coding, properly structured, commented, and formatted for assessment. The process is simple. You start by filling out a short project brief, what programming language or framework you're using, what your assignment requires, and your deadline. Within hours, qualified experts respond. You can check their profiles. Many hold master's degrees or PhDs in computer science, artificial intelligence, software engineering, or data analytics. Once you choose your expert, communication stays inside the secure client portal, where every message, upload, and progress update is logged. That gives full traceability and a clean workflow that mirrors a professional development environment. The scope of languages and topics is extensive. The Programming Assignment Help Service covers Python, Java, C, C++, C#, PHP, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, R, MATLAB, and more. It also supports web-based frameworks such as Django, Flask, React, and Node.js, as well as topics like database systems, data structures, algorithms, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Whether you're dealing with a small debugging task, an entire app development project, or a complex data science assignment, you'll find a verified expert for that exact field. It even extends to software documentation, pseudocode design, flowcharts, and report writing, the full academic package for technical coursework. Communication is consistent and professional. You can discuss logic, confirm test cases, or request progress updates without worrying about disappearing freelancers or missed deadlines. Every project stays inside the official system, so nothing gets lost. The writer can show you snippets of working code, explain how key functions operate, and even walk through the logic behind algorithms. It feels more like a structured collaboration with a professional developer than a typical outsourced job. Let's talk about cost, because pricing is one of the most misunderstood parts of academic coding support. UK Essays does not aim to be cheap, and that's exactly why it stands out. In the world of programming services, low prices usually mean unqualified writers or reused code pulled from old projects. When you see a bargain offer for a complex Java or Python assignment, that's a red flag. UK Essays is open about charging more because the people behind the work are real, verified professionals with legitimate qualifications and proven experience. The higher cost reflects real skill and accountability, not recycled scripts. In this field, a low price should always be treated as a warning. Quality programming help requires proper compensation for expertise. When you order, the quotation is completely transparent. You can specify the required grade level, word count if a report is included, and the programming scope. You'll see the cost breakdown up front, no hidden fees. Each project is delivered with properly commented code, clear documentation, and optional explanation notes to help you understand the logic behind each function. That means you not only receive a working program, but can also learn from it. Many students use this as a reference to understand best practices in code structure, algorithm efficiency, and documentation. Support remains active throughout the project. You can send clarifications, upload new files, or adjust details mid-project without losing communication flow. It's a system built for reliability. Each assignment includes revision support if adjustments are needed, handled professionally and quickly through the same portal. For large or technical builds, you can request milestone delivery so you can review progress as each stage is completed. What the review network found most impressive is the consistency of output across languages and project types. Whether it's Python data manipulation, a C++ algorithm for sorting and searching, Java GUI development, or MATLAB for signal processing, the structure of the code remains clean, efficient, and academically aligned. Variables are clearly named, comments explain logic, and documentation is formatted for easy reading. It looks like something that would come directly from a skilled university-level developer. Another key benefit is the editorial process behind the scenes. After the coder completes the project, it's reviewed internally to ensure it meets presentation and formatting standards. That means you receive code and documentation that look polished and professional, an important detail when marks depend not only on functionality, but also on readability and structure. The transparency model also eliminates the anxiety of dealing with hidden writers or fake portfolios. You always know who's handling your work, what their background is, and how they're rated by past clients. That visibility creates accountability and trust. UK Essays has built a reputation over 2 decades on verified expertise and professional conduct, and their programming assignment help service continues that same approach for the technical side of academia. For students in computer science, data analytics, software engineering, or related fields, having access to this kind of structured help can be invaluable. It's not about paying someone to do your work. It's about learning how experts approach real programming problems, how they design algorithms, structure code, and document their reasoning. Many students use these projects as study aids to understand how to achieve the standards required in graded coursework. The Review Network's verdict is clear. UK Essays Programming Assignment Help offers a level of professionalism and transparency rarely seen in the coding help market. The ability to view real writer profiles, choose your own expert, communicate securely, and receive properly documented original code makes it a trusted choice for anyone serious about their coursework. The pricing reflects true expertise, not shortcuts, and that's what defines a premium academic service. If you're working on a challenging Python data science project, a Java application, a C++ algorithm, or even a full web development assignment with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL integration, UK Essays provides access to verified experts who understand exactly how to deliver work that meets academic standards. It's professional, accountable, and built for reliability. Thanks for watching the Review Network, where we independently review academic and professional support services so you can make informed choices. If you've used UK Essays or any other programming assignment service, let us know your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the platforms shaping the academic support industry.